Welcome to the Art of Aging. My name is Catalina Hoffman and today we're going to talk about our kidneys. When we have the stones inside, what do we have to have in our nutrition? It's really important for you to understand that we have to drink a lot of water. That is the most important thing. We have to have food with antioxidants. We need to be aware with food with calcium. We need to have it, but not so much. And of course, sugar. Sugar is not so good. So the most important thing for you is to know if you have that kind of stones, that nutrition is a basic element. Remember, and come and age with me.